Today I'm going to be reviewing OPPKEPT's Pegs clothespin hanging bag with hooks. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really good idea. If you're just outside and you're hanging clothes up and you want to have all your clothespins in there, you can put them in there. It actually extends up like this and it can close with a drawstring. You can fit up to 300 pegs in here. Also, you have an adjustable strap, which is really nice. You can wear it around you, throw it behind you. It can be used for more than just that. It also has a carabiner. You can clip it onto the line. You can clip it onto your belt. Plenty of uses for this. I could see this being used. Maybe you're doing some work around the house. You need some tools. Whatever you need, you can put in this and be able to carry it around with you and have it hands-free, and then just quickly grab whatever you need out of this. Now, this is a new item from OPPKEPT, and I do appreciate them sending this to me. This is durable, waterproof Oxford fabric, and it's not going to tear or anything like that. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.